Long ago, people used to count with tally marks. In the morning, they would make marks on the ground one by one as their sheep left the pen. At night, they would wipe out the marks one by one as the sheep returned. If there were any marks left over, they knew some sheep were missing. One problem with this was that the more sheep you had, the more marks you needed to draw. If you wanted to trade some of your sheep for something else, it was hard to tell someone how many sheep you were offering in a way that was easy to understand.
That's a lot of sheep.
So, people made symbols so they could keep track of the numbers and discuss them. What kind of numbers are these? Right. These are whole numbers or counting numbers, and they weren't just for sheep. People could use the same numbers for counting anything. The beginnings of math came from business and trade. People always want to make sure they get what they pay for. People also created things like equations and ratios out of necessity. If 3 bolts of cloth are worth 1 sheep, how many sheep would you trade for 6 bolts? What if you only want 5 bolts of cloth? This is where people created fractions or rational numbers.
What am I going to do with 2/3 of a sheep? Now I traded 6 bolts of cloth for 2 sheep. Hello? Sheep? Yes, I have some sheep. Okay, I'll put you down for 8 sheep. -6 sheep? Uh-oh.
People created negative numbers for times like this. The minus sign represents a debt or something leaving the inventory.
Hi, Abraham. I need some more sheep.